How's it going, friends? It's Cage Friends, and today I will show you a game that is a really big Clash Royale rip-off. The biggest rip-off game of the Clash Royale game ever. So let's jump right into it and hope you watch the video. It's called Clash Terrain. I don't know how to pronounce it. I guess it's Terrain. Clash Terrain. Yeah, as you can see, it's actually a really big Clash Royale rip-off. And they use guns now, not like the Clash Royale, which has guns, but it's actually like old classics game. I don't even know what I'm saying. So this thing, I think it's actually golden AK, or well, it's not AK-47, but they're golden though. So it actually loads a really long amount of time, and I haven't played this game before yet. Just sharing this video with you. Welcome. Let's try a few practice battles. I already know. So they're called strongholds, huh? The heck is that? It's like somebody threw. Oh, is this Dark Elixir? So those arrows. Wow. He didn't even fight back. And they congratulate you by defeating a bot. That's kinda sad though. Anyways, what's wrong with this guy? Oh, their open is called reveal. Was that I? Oh, cuteness. Battle deck, definitely rip off. What is this? I didn't even remember this kind of dog in Clash Royale. There's a bird. Oh my gosh. Money. How did the money got in Clash Royale? Since when? Oh my gosh, it's Harambe. Harambe got added. Not even a glory sound? At least what you gonna do? Not at least even a glory sound kind of stuff. This is the worst rip-off, Clash Royale rip-off actually. It's the worst. It's so bad. Well, at least Blitz Brigade is kinda actually a little bit better than this. Using cards will consume oil. I know that. Oh, they're called oils. Another dark elixir or something. This must be a giant, but just have a gun. And these things are musketeer. This thing are musketeer. Oh wait, this is musketeers. That's the musketeer. I thought that's a gun. Is it supposed to be? Oh my gosh, dog. Those. Man, they're loud. Trainer Mort. This game sucks. Well, I ain't offending at least the creators who made a rip-off. Clash Royale. Your level, the rest level. Read cards and earn achievements. That is a click to. Oh my gosh, I got an epic. That's kind of cool. It's already equipped. I wonder what that epic is. That must be Mini P.E.K.K.A. Since it's cost 4 elixirs or oil. Or direct elixir. I don't know what people call it. Trainer Andy. Come on, Trainer Andy. Let's battle. Oh, they just only deploy this. Come on, Mini P.E.K.K.A. We're doing the baby dragon. Oh my gosh, those are kids. Why do Battlefield? That's child abuse. Those are child abuse. Just to win, you actually use Savage Village. This guy's a savage. Well, what the heck is this? It's so familiar. Cage friends. There we go. Get reward. Hey, free crates! Hell yeah. Savage people. Finally got them. At least. Hey, I got new ones. Hell yeah. So where is actually, oh yeah. Shut up! Stop singing! Stop singing! Shut up! Shut up! Just join the voice, kids, please! Shut up in the neighborhood! Why does everyone want to be a singer now? Well, you can have a lot of time to be YouTuber. Well, you cannot. You cannot. What I was about to say, Arslan. Okay, Arslan, get paired. Cause I'm a pet to you, please. I'll take down 2 of them. Never used to. Yeah, there it is. Oh, hell. Oh, production is so slow. Oh. The worst rip-off ever. Unlock 3 hours. Well, it was 3 hours though. Looking for opening. Wow, so slow. Because it's the worst rip-off ever and the worst game. The worst Clash Royale rip-off ever. Made in history. Made in human history. Wow, it's even the same as Clash Royale. Oh, it was a little short. Come on, Archer! Are you ready? Get out of my way, son. Son! 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 Come on, Musketeer! Easy. Easy. Good game, as you see. As you see. I think that's how you see it. This is the worst rip-off ever. I might actually play it all day. I can. All day, all night, all weekend, and all weekday. Can I unlock both? Oh. The worst rip-off ever. You cannot even unlock both. Well, Clash Royale doesn't let you unlock both though. So, well, actually, if you made a new update about unlocking both, I definitely would play this game and, well, I cannot buy. It. Wow, so slow. 1, 3. Oh, it's 1 per second. 1 fire per second. Well, better, I guess you haven't played Clash Royale yet. Well, you do have 56 trophies, so fair enough. You actually like won a little bit. So easy. This is not even a challenge anymore. Man, that's a lot. I mean, that's long. What's a rocket pack? Oh my gosh, no. Brewster. I don't remember this guy, so yeah. Anyways, friends, I'm gonna end the video and hope you leave a like on the like button, the precious like button, and please subscribe if you're new to this channel. So always high five and peace out, friends.